Hey guys, it's Akai Games. I have some updates for you guys. A list of bugs I'm gonna be fixing and design, which I'm gonna be fixing tonight. I'm gonna go over the bugs real quick. I'm gonna be fixing the +5 bug, which basically is every time you hit the story, now you get 5 seconds, which will show a little image +5 in the timer, notifying you and confirming that you've gained 5 seconds. Number 2 is fixing the star rating bug. Basically, whenever you finish and complete a level, it automatically says 3 stars. It doesn't choose 1, 2, 3 stars. It just automatically gives you 3. I'm going to do the small candy issue, which I'll show you in a little bit. Some random small candies pop up. I'm going to change the candy overlapping. I've adjusted and improved that. But every so often you still get a few candies that overlap and it's aggravating. So I'm completely rid that and fix it. You're not going to understand that. Design, I'm going to design a whole new pause menu, because when you hit pause now, it just shows a little pause, reset, and go back to home menu. I'm going to create a whole new menu system. As you see here, when you hit pause, it's not going to look like this. I'm not an artist, but I can be an artist in CS5 and Adobe, so don't worry, I'm not going to hand drawn. But it's going to be a little bubble type interface, cartoonish. That's going to have a zoom, options, and quit. Bunch of gibberish. So yeah. This did a rough draft. Then I'm going to do, and of course I have update commands. I'm going to have create a candy bar notification, which is going to be really nice, which I'll show more on the computer. Number 3, new look of the lose design, because when it says you lose, it says you lose text and reset, which sucks. So I'm going to create a whole new menu for that. And then, okay, I'm going to have a white and black candy, which is going to be starting at level 1, 2, which basically white will speed up, black will slow you down. So basically, if you accidentally hit a white candy, it'll basically speed up. So the time will speed really fast for like 5 seconds. It just goes super fast, so candy will start falling really fast, and black will slow everything down. And then once I release a new pack of like 12 levels and further, I'm gonna introduce. Actually, let's go to the computer. Okay. So. Yeah, it's my setup. It's pretty. Look at that. Okay. Enough of that. Okay, so let me intro, preview. Okay, slow the game up. I'm also going to be introducing some super candies, which basically it's going to be some tri-colored candies that come along in the future that basically like want to be like a hot red type candy, basically making it to where if you hit it, like for instance, once the levels get really hard and you have many candies you need, if you hit it, it'll destroy, like blow up, or make 5 random candies that you need disappear. And then there's going to be freeze, which freezes the time for 3 to 5 seconds and gives you time to just tap whatever's on the screen while it's frozen, so that'll be helpful. As you see, I do have a new logo. Bam. New wallpaper. Little thing you say, oh, well, what's going on there? Nothing right there. But I'm also going to add, forgot to add, a how to play button, which is going to go like right there. Little long thing. It's going to be how to play, showing a little touch interaction on how to play. So I'm talking fast. Play. Level 1. Okay. Gather 10 red. Touch to play. You see how that says that? I did a cool text font, which I used on level 1, and I might add a border around. I just wanted that cool text, and yeah. And then I'm removing that touch thing, because what I said about that little candy 5-star system, it's going to be going down here. That's why that down thing, why it looks like a little bar or something goes down there. It's going to be like all 5 candies on like a little bar, like little slider type thing, or just staying there. But basically like adding +1, +2, +3 every time you achieve the color you needed, just down there for more user interface and simplicity. So touch to play. I'm going to beat this level real quick. If it freezes on the video, don't worry, the game does not lag 1 bit, because it's just my camera for some odd reason. So you saw, I hit 5, it adds 10, it just doesn't show. And then I'll probably redesign this, maybe, I don't know. You can see, gather 15 green, it changes to green, touch to play. And get the 15 green, and you'll see a few random small, which you just saw in orange. And when the gathering, which I have to fix the bug, because I'm not gonna. Yeah, I've been worrying about graphics, but I have been trying to fix bugs too, and very hard to fix. But I'm getting them worked out day by day. So need to hit a star. I'm gonna lose. No, got 15. So well done. I gotta change that background, fix the small icons. So yeah, and then of course, I know that's my logo. And what I was gonna tell y'all is I'm working on a thing called possibly like worlds or something like that, to where like you have 3 worlds, which I was thinking of adding in, and go back. And basically, they look. This is just a rough draft, but I was thinking of having like one world or like different like. Let me load this one too. I had like 3 examples I created last night just for the fun of it. Like, you know, like having little worlds like world 1, world 2, world 3, like 3 per level selected. And once you click on the world, it'll bring up the levels, 12 levels, and each one will be locked with new updates and features every month. Or I'll have like this like candy machine based one that I was thinking of, just like where it's more cool looking, or even possibly creating a cartoonish candy machine. I mean, I have a lot of images in this game, and then oh yeah, I also have this new wallpapers and looks for future levels and all that. So I did that. Let me see if I have anything else. This is like a little watermark logo. I don't know if you can see that. It has a little cool thing right there. I'm completely destroying this intro. Let me see if there's anything else on the shirt. Oh yeah, this is the thing, which is gonna be for the pause menu. This the green things that pop up with menu, resume, and all that. Just have to create the text and buttons. And I'll compare you the fonts real quick. This is the old logo, and I'm gonna compare it to the new one for you. Let me go get it. Candy. No, that's not it. Whoops. Candy Craze. Okay, that's the new one. I think. There's so many. Let me see. Nope, that's not it. This is it. Okay. So it's that or this. So let me stretch that out. I mean, that's how it was. I mean, that's a new one at the top, old one at the bottom. The new one has more of a, see, just better look. So, yeah, just want to give you guys a quick update. More updates, bug fixes, a lot of work going into it. It's getting very near. Trust me, gameplay will look amazing once the levels increase, gets harder. They'll have many different candies, ways to interact, achieve, gain, lose, win, and just addictive. And then I'm also having a thing to where, like, once the time starts running low, like 10 seconds below, like the game's gonna start like speeding up, like the time's gonna make like just anticipate like you're about to lose or win, whatever it may be. But just a lot of new features, and just been working and testing and using that board, so comes in handy. So yeah, I have trouble saying my own company name. Akai Games out.